Hello everyone, welcome back to Terramana Gardens. Today we're going to be diving into the world of mint Swedish ivy, which is not actually an ivy but a member of the mint family. Known for its cascading, glossy foliage and delicate blooms, this plant is a favorite for hanging baskets and indoor gardens. Despite its common name, Swedish ivy does not originate in Sweden. Instead, it is native to South Africa and other parts of the tropical regions of southern Africa. The plant earned the name Swedish ivy because it gained popularity as an easy-to-grow houseplant in Sweden, where its lush greenery brighten the homes during long winters. Mint Swedish ivy is a trailing or creeping perennial with soft, bright green, oval-shaped leaves that often have scalloped edges. The plant stems are sturdy yet flexible, making it ideal for hanging baskets or cascading over the edges of pots. Small, tubular flowers in shades of pale lavender or white bloom sporadically throughout the year, adding a delicate touch to its lush greenery. While not particularly showy, the blooms add subtle charm and are a favorite of pollinators like bees and butterflies when grown outdoors. Mint Swedish ivy is incredibly versatile and thrives with minimum care. It's well suited for both novice and experienced gardeners. It prefers bright indirect light but can tolerate low light conditions indoors. Outdoors, it thrives in partial shade. It enjoys well-draining potting soil rich in organic matter. A standard houseplant soil mix works perfectly. Water when the top 1 to 2 inches of soil feels dry. It's drought tolerant but does not like sitting in soggy soil, as this can lead to root rot. It thrives in temperatures between 60 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit, protected from frost as it's not cold hardy. It appreciates moderate humidity, but adapts well to average indoor conditions. Misting occasionally can help it in drier environments. Feed with a well-balanced liquid fertilizer once a month during the growing season. Swedish ivy works well in mixed planters with other shade-tolerant plants. Its trailing habit provides a lovely contrast when paired with upright or bushy plants. Good companions include ferns, begonias, impatiens, or caladiums. Its cascading stems also complement flowering plants and hanging baskets and add texture when mixed with taller plants. A special behavior of Swedish mint ivy is that the leaves, when crushed, release a minty aroma, which is where the mint in its name comes from. While primarily grown as an ornamental plant, mint Swedish ivy offers several benefits: ornamental value, air purification, ground cover, and Swedish ivy is one of the easiest plants to propagate. Simply place a cutting in water or moist soil and it will quickly root, allowing gardeners to expand their collection or share with friends. Swedish ivy is beloved for its association with easy indoor gardening and its resilience. It's often passed down as a heritage plant among families or gifted to new gardeners because of its forgiving nature and adaptability. Thanks for tuning in today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more plant profiles. Until next time, happy gardening.